Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make a delicious side dish, bacon and Brussels sprouts. We're going to start with cutting half a pound of bacon into thin strips. Now the bacon cut, it's time to cook it. Heat up the skillet over medium heat. Now the pan's hot, we're going to add our bacon. We're going to cook until crispy. Now the bacon's crispy, we're going to remove it from the pan. Let's set it aside. Leave the grease behind. We're going to be using that. Now we're going to take 2 dozen Brussels sprouts, take out the outer layers, and cut them in half. Now that we got the Brussels sprouts cut up, we're going to add them to the pan. Now we got the Brussels sprouts coated with bacon grease. We're going to reduce the heat to low. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, take the lid off, add the bacon back. Season with salt and pepper. Turn the heat back up a little bit. Cook for a few more minutes until you get the Brussels sprouts as brown as you want it. Once you get your Brussels sprouts the way you want them, turn off the heat and it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Hot. If you like bacon and Brussels sprouts, it's a side dish for you. It cost us $5 and it'll feed 4 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.